I love doing the personalised retreats because I get to know someone a little bit better. I love that because I also learn from other people just as much as I might have things to teach them. I'm always learning from others as well and from their experience. We try and kind of incorporate a yoga and meditation practice and set them up with a little bit of a routine that they can take home as well, so they can continue on with that, something small and simple. It gives me an opportunity to nurture them through food as well. So picking food from the garden, fresh produce from the garden, and preparing it and getting it into their bellies. And then we do what I call a bespoke strategy session, which is listening to the things that are causing them the struggle or whatever in their life and bringing to that different strategies. And then we have the workshop with Kirsty, which is the clay play, which is a beautiful way of grounding because you're working with earth basically, and also just helping to really bring you into that kind of nuance, sort of the subtle sensation of in your body. There's the option if they want to do a surf lesson, they can do a surf lesson as well. And being in the ocean is just awesome for just breaking up stuckness. The water just cleanses all the cobwebs out of your body and is a really great way of resetting and opening yourself up to new ideas and experiences. Yeah, we try and kind of incorporate really nourishing food, nourishing practices like yoga, sound-based practices, time in the ocean, and also that kind of clay therapeutic aspect as well.